Hey guys, it's me, Rita Peterson, and I just wanted to come on to give you a little bit of information about pop-on veneers. So I want to start off with, why did I go with pop-on veneers? Why did I get pop-on veneers? As you can tell, my teeth are not in the greatest condition. Growing up, I never smiled with my teeth. It'd be a rare occasion if you were to catch me in a picture smiling with my teeth. I didn't have the greatest confidence growing up as well due to my teeth, and my parents, didn't bring me to the dentist as often as I should have been brought, having a lot of dental issues growing up. So it definitely took a weight off my shoulder after, being clean off of drugs for 7 going on 8 years to finally do something for myself and give myself the smile that I've always dreamed of. With that being said, their impression kit was so simple, so easy. They give you a little video telling you how to do it. It was so easy. I was able to get my impressions done first try. These are actually the 3D mold of my teeth. And the cool thing, on top of them giving you a 3D mold of your teeth, your pop-on veneers literally pop right on. They literally pop right on. See? And you can see how they're going to look before you even put them in your mouth. I'm having trouble lining them up. With that being said, I've showed you how my teeth look. I've showed you them on the molds. Now, before you ask, do they actually work? Let me put them on for you. And they look so natural. So natural. I've gotten so many compliments. I haven't had one person tell me that they don't look natural. I can actually smile and feel confident when I go out into public. When I flash a smile at a stranger, I feel so confident. And I honestly wish that I did this a lot sooner. With that being said, if you've been thinking about getting pop-on veneers, definitely worth it. Definitely get them. I promise you will not regret that.
Don't hesitate, just click order now.